If you need to create a Twilio account, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you everything you need to know and take you through every step. So let's climb straight into it. So to begin with your Twilio account creation, go ahead and jump into your browser of choice. You want to dial in Twilio, and the very first option you will see will be their homepage. Now, you can also dial in twilio.com. You'll end up here. On the top right, there is a start for free option. You're going to click on this, and this will allow you to create your account. You want to add your first name, last name, email address, and a password in over here on the left. And then you also want to select this box which is agree to the terms of service and so forth. Once you're done in this section, you're going to go ahead and click on continue. You'll now need to add the code in over here that you were sent via email. So just jump into your email inbox and look for the email sent by Twilio. You may also find it in your junk mail, but you will still be able to recover the code. Let's go ahead and click on verify. We'll now have to register a phone number. So go ahead and add your phone number. Make sure that your country dialing code is also correct. And you'll now have a code sent via email or via a phone call. You'll now have a code sent via an SMS or a phone call. And from here, you're going to go ahead and add that code in there. You'll also have to save this code somewhere safe so that you can access your account. You have now been verified. Go ahead and click on copy on the right hand side. Make sure that you do save this code somewhere and click on continue. You'll now have to personalize your onboarding, so you'll have to describe what best describes you. So let's go ahead and choose an option, and then also your type of business and what your goals are with Twilio. So let's go and say notifications, and we're going to go and choose a channel that we're interested in. So let's use WhatsApp. And let's click on Let's Go. We should now be redirected to our dashboard. Everything has now been set up and you successfully have created a Twilio account.